Welcome back, Crammers, to question 1. Here's a list of numbers. From this list, write down an odd number. So when we divide this by 2, it gives us a decimal. So this gives us 7.5. So that means our answer here is 15. Moving on, a multiple of 6. So we have 6, we have 12, we have 18, which is right here. Moving on, a square number. So a square number is a number multiplied by itself. And here we have 16 because 4 times 4 is equal to 16. The prime number. So a prime number can only be divided by itself and one other number. And for that we have 2 because it can only be divided by 1 and 2. The numbers with a sum of 26. So when we combine them, we get 26. Here we have 18 and we have 8 because 18 plus 8 equals 26. Therefore, our answers here are 8 and 18. Thanks for watching. Cram and Scram.